Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how many RAM slots does ACER Predator 17 have. If you're thinking about replacing RAM or upgrading your RAM, then first check how many RAM slots does your device have, because different ones, even if it's all ACER Predator 17, they may be different revisions, and you should simply check in Task Manager. So go to Task Manager, then by right clicking on the taskbar and going to that, then go to Performance and go to Memory. Now you'll see slots used. If you hover over it, you'll see which slots are used and which are empty. And it's very important to notice the amount of RAM each slot has and the speed. So in this case, I have 3 sticks of 8 gigabytes at 2400 milli transfers per second, or mega transfers per second, or megahertz, and so I could get another 8 gigabyte stick at that speed in SOD form factor and add it on top of the pre-existing ones, and I would have, like, I guess 32 gigabytes of memory. But it's also worth noting that SODIMM is very important. If it says rows of chips, then the memory is irreplaceable, and yeah, it's very important. And then also another thing is that the slots used, if all of them are used, then if you want to upgrade your RAM, you should replace the sticks with some bigger ones. And I can't guarantee if you get 8 gigabyte and 16 gigabyte stick that they both will work together. Probably not. So you need to have the sticks at the same speed and the same size. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.